JD and Vereen Dinuzon for court number 2. Please stand by for court number 4. We have Sen Kote and Hannah Nguyen versus Natasha and Daniel Lee. Dinuzon for court number 2. Winners, Wim Santoso and Luis. Please do the line judge for court number 2. Court number 3, we need replacement for line judge. Mavic. We need replacement for line judge for court number 3, please. Erlinda, can you help, please?
Paging PSG members, please assist.
Court number 1, players for court number 1, we have Kok Leong and Lee Cheng versus Chong Wei Ming and Ao Yong Jae and Kelly for court number 1. For court number 4, we have Zen Kote and Hannah Nguyen versus Natasha and Daniel Lee.
Natasha and Daniel Lee. Jack and Pia Porn, please line judge. Court 1 players, Kok Leong and Lee Cheng versus Chong Wei Ming and Kenny Ao. Ramsey and Tam Cham Sini, please line judge. Anne Margaret, please come to the call table. Thank you. Got it? Court 4 players, Sen Kote and Hannah Nguyen versus Natasha and Daniel Lee. Jack and Pia Porn, please line judge.
Ha? Pupunta ka doon? Oo. Sabi mo, line judge.
Stand by for court number 3. John Ray Rodriguez and Mavic Damasco versus Daniel Ng and Moy Kai Ling for court number 3. Please stand by. Shanti and Ricky Osada versus Alan Reyes and Elvie. Please stand by for court number 6. Siva Kumar and Angel SJ versus Chong Tan and Hazel. Chong Tan and Hazel and Shiva Kumar and Angel. Please stand by for court number 6. Calling players for court number 5, Shanti and Ricky Hosada versus Alan Reyes and Elvie. Please proceed to court number 5. And winners, we have Christine and Peter. Please do the line judge for court number 5.
Court 6 players, Siva Kumar and Angel versus Chong Tan and Hazel. Chico and Jane, please line judge.
And for players for court number 3, we have John Ray Rodriguez and Mavic Damasco versus Daniel